Hello guys, how are you? Good evening. So right now I am explaining this spam hitapp guidelines. This is a big guideline, 67 pages long. I think in UHRS the most vast or long guideline I have ever seen. So, but the job is very interesting job. It is basically the objective of this job is basically to caught those fraudsters who are using bad SEO techniques. So first of all we need to clear the term the search engine optimization or this term SEO, this one. So this term search engine optimization is what is search engine optimization. Many of you may know, but I am recapping, and those who don't know I am explaining to you that what is SEO. SEO means a technique by which your web page get highest rank in a search engine. Like suppose someone put a query like shoes. So whenever you put a query shoes, you can see that there are in Google. Then just put it. Just put the let's see shoes. Okay. So in this, uh, I put these shoes in the as the query, and you can see that these are the shoe shops nearby me, and this is the ad section. This ad is a paid ad. Okay, they pay, that is Amazon.in. They are paying some fees to Google to show this ad on top. Why they are paying? Because as you can see that the top result is a Amazon one, so it is highly likely that you will choose this, because maximum user they just browse through this point. They are not clicking the second page, they are just clicking the result on first page. So if a website appears on this first page or on top of any list of any search list, then it is highly likely that the e-commerce product will get a lead. That means that a lead or customer. So to fetch the customer, you need to rank your website higher and higher, so that people when browse this, you can see that Mitra, this website is on top, so people will buy this. The chance of people will buy this is about 99%. It is the consumer habit, you can say. They just Flipkart, Ajio, these are the uh, best e-commerce giants websites that have best SEO techniques to rank their result at top. Sometimes they also, you can see that Amazon paid for ad to Google, so this is showing at top position. So SEO technique is a technique by which a digital marketer can generate leads by ranking their website at top. This is called SEO technique. So your question may be valid that okay, this is an SEO technique. I can understand that digital every digital marketer or offline or online marketer, they want that their product will be displayed at top. Um, every marketer, every shop owner needs maximum number of customers. So it is the normal thing, normal stuff. But using SEO is also normal. So what's the problem with that? Why this job is here? The spam leveling. Because this job is here because, as you know, that business also has malpractices. They are also cheat. They use a bad SEO techniques. Like they want to fool the search engine. The search engine will using these bad techniques. The search engine will rank the page higher, but the page don't have any content to deliver, don't have anything within it. But due to but digital marketer needs traffic. More traffic means more money. Okay, and more traffic is possible if this page gets higher ranking on this page, like in at this position, like at this position. So every digital marketer wants this position, but there is a procedure. There is some good techniques to do that. But because of the business malpractices and human brain, they want dishonesty. So they are using bad techniques, bad SEO techniques. So our job in this setup is to caught those websites who are using spamming or bad SEO techniques to get higher ranking. This is the main objective of this hitapp. I hope you people understand that.